We're going to take a look at a few different room categories on the Norwegian Bliss. We'll start with a Haven room and show some of the exclusive areas only open to Haven guests. Then we'll show a variety of stateroom types on board. This is a Haven 2-bedroom family villa. You enter into this spacious living room with a table and chairs, a couch, a large TV, and a desk area. There's also a bar and coffee station. Here's the master bedroom. There's a lot of storage drawers, a safe, lots of room to hang clothes, drawer space, end tables with storage, a North American outlet and dimmer switches to control the lights. Here's the ensuite bathroom. It's very large, 2 sinks, a good amount of counter space, a large tub with a view, robes. There's also a shower. They have nice shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And there's nice soap and lotion at the sink area too. The master bedroom has a desk area with a magnifying mirror, European and North American outlets. There's a phone and lamps on each side of the bed. The second room is pretty small. It has closet space and a sofa bed and its own full bathroom. This is like the standard bathrooms. It wouldn't be bad for kids or one person. Now we'll look at the exclusive Haven areas. You get a butler and concierge to help you with anything you need. The Haven has a lounge and bar. The Haven has a beautiful courtyard with water features and a retractable roof. It looks very comfortable and relaxing. Above the lounge is the Horizon Lounge. They have snacks, coffee, and comfy seating with beautiful views. That spiral staircase goes down to the lounge and bar. There's a Haven restaurant open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The food and service here is really good. There's indoor and outdoor seating. There's also a Haven sun deck, lots of lounge chairs, a hot tub, cabanas, and a bar. Now let's look at some of the other staterooms. Here's a balcony cabin. This is a nice sized space. The beds can be separated or put together as a queen. There are end tables on each side and a large couch, storage over here, a safe, shelves, and room to hang clothes. This is how it looks separating into twin beds. And let's see the bathroom. Drawer space, large sink, and a decent sized shower. They have shower gel and a combination shampoo and conditioner, so you might want to bring some of your own hair products. Let's take a look at the desk area and balcony. There's a TV on a swivel, desk space with a phone, 3 North American outlets, and 1 European. There's a hairdryer under the desk and a fridge. More drawer space below the couch. And the balcony has 2 chairs and a small table. It's nice to have this private space to have a drink and enjoy the view. Now let's check out a family ocean view stateroom. This feels a little tighter. The typical bed is here, and instead of a living room, there's a bunk bed in this section. The upper bunk is pretty small. There's a nice picture window, desk area, and a TV. A regular ocean view is a little smaller without the living room space. Here's an ADA ocean view. This room is huge, plenty of room for a wheelchair. And a large bathroom, no steps, a lot of handrails, and a shower bench. Now let's look at a solo studio and studio lounge. A studio is pretty small, but it has everything you need. A small bed, desk area, storage, a bathroom, and a shower. Nothing is separated into a separate walled-off space. Now let's look at the lounge. Only the solo studio guests have access to this area. A snack station that gets restocked all day. They have a great coffee machine and beverage area. Lots of seating. This is a really great space. It looks like they have some games and events planned. The Bliss is a beautiful ship with lots of great room options to choose from. Thanks for watching Taste for Travel. Please subscribe to see all our latest travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!